Malcolm, welcome. Nice to see you.
Thank you very much. Nice to see you.
Can you tell us how Ledizolv came to be?
Well, originally there was a guy who had been involved in asbestos remediation who had a friend who was a painter that had gotten involved with lead paint removal in the early 1990s. He'd been hired to remove lead-contaminated paint in a home. He used flame heat paint stripping, which volatilized hazardous lead fumes, which settled in the painter's clothing. At that time, that was a perfectly common method of paint removal. He went home with contaminated clothing and poisoned his young child. A pediatrician diagnosed elevated lead levels in the child's blood. The doctor and the parents figured out the connection to the lead paint removal project. The painter spoke with this guy and who'd been involved with other forms of environmental remediation, and he asked, "Isn't there something that you can do to help here?" He investigated, learned that lead-contaminated dust leaching from lead-based paint was one of the real hazards. He contacted Alkanox Incorporated to formulate a special detergent for use in removing lead-contaminated dust. Alkanox designed this private label detergent for the company that became LSZ Incorporated. Eventually, Alkanox formed a management agreement to manufacture, ship, and provide technical and management support for LSC.
Well, thank you for sharing the origin stories of Ledizolv, and it sounds like a real superhero of a product.
Pleasure. Thanks so much.